I mean, it's such a good deal.
RBI single in the first. Watch out. Look at this.
And I think I'm probably the fairest. Yeah, and I get the most out the door.
Is there a holding area?
Yeah, right here. You didn't like the price of the jackets.
I did not. Snack of the
They will be half off on Saturday. They're still here.
Okay.
Okay, just sit it in my chair.
Anything?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
All the good shit was in here.
For real? Oh
Yeah.
shit, damn, hell yeah.
I got like 8.
Oh, damn, you cooked.
I got all the country teas.
You got all the country teas. There's some hard rock. Probably not what you're looking for.
More Texas.
Oh, there is? Oh, I totally missed that. That's cool. It's too small for me. I would totally wear that. I don't know if this is... Nah, none of this is fancy.
A lot of them are links.
Yeah.
Damn, hell yeah.
They got us greedy. We're like, go upstairs. Didn't realize like there was stuff out there. Oh, these are good too.
What country teas did you get?
There was Vince Gill,
A
Garth
bunch of
Brooks.
different, like, they were like
Let me
all
see.
completely different. Garth Brooks.
Oh, that was
Vince
nice.
Gill.
Let's go. Clint Black. Let's go.
Black. The Clint Black is good.
George Strait.
Ooh, hell yeah, I got some good ones.
And then the
Yeah, George Street.
Oh, that's nice.
and then the animal too.
Cool. Hell yeah.
Yeah, man.
I mean, not sneaky, you know? Can't complain.
Okay.
And hidden in the back, huh?
I don't know what this is.
What's on a Russell track? You want to trade anything for the UNT? Let me know. Let me know.
I already picked it up. Yeah. I didn't see anything else.
Bro, I got cooked. I got some good, still left the estate sale some good stuff, but man, the downstairs bedroom had, as you can see, more cowboy stuff that I probably would have liked. The country t-shirts, man, yeah, I got cooked. I did grab some cameras though, as you can see, man, but the Cowboys jackets were so overpriced, I couldn't do it. They were $85 for satin jackets. Most I would pay is probably like 30-40 bucks, but man, we're gonna head to another estate sale, see if we can grab some stuff. Stay tuned. Yeah. Love it.
Hi, everybody.
Hello.
you go, ma'am. Here's your sack to put it all in. And then if you need me to put something on the hold shelf, you let me know, okay? There's a few of us running around.
Pepsi.
Yep. Thank you. You're welcome.
Are these usual?
No, I'm passing on those. Oh, there we go. Nike tag. Texas Aggies.
It's all right. Have a good day. You too.
Biker boys.
$35. I'm holding the case that goes to.
Oh, no.
I like the case more than the camera.
This one is 15 too. Oh, it's got a little film holder. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, that one's way cooler.
Is anyone in here driving a black Nissan SUV?
Nope, nope.
Anybody at all? Any takers?
Sure you don't want this? I'll leave it.
Oh,
I'll grab this.
I'm just looking at the case.
Okay.
Because technically the sticker says comes with case.
Okay,
And
okay.
I did find this case inside this
Oh.
case, so I don't know.
Hey, that's perfect. This is a win.
I mean,
Are you any of you driving a black Nissan SUV?
No. Oh, I have the blanket to this. That is crazy. That's so cool. Make sure I'm not missing Close, close, close. Oh, sorry. Oh, you got a little something. Take it. Take it. That looks promising. We hit. Bro, everything you see behind me all came from this morning. Crazy day, crazy morning. If you're still here, appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the video, to the channel. Really helps out the algorithm with getting my video referred to other people, things like recommended, things like that. So like the video, comment. If you saw anything you like, definitely shoot me a message on Instagram at madkozy, MADKOZY. I usually post everything there, and I get more detailed on YouTube. So don't be afraid to shoot me a message about anything you see. Just to start off, the first estate sale I went to was hitting. We got a bunch of crew neck, or a few crew necks, few shirts. We got like a whole bag of cameras. As I told y'all last video, man, I always pick up the cameras. The cameras go absolutely crazy. People use them for display. People like old film cameras, so I always pick them up, especially if they're this price. I got each one for like $10, $5-10 bucks. Quick story. Ran up to the second floor. The steps are right in front of the door. I ran up as I walk in. They opened the doors early, so I wasn't able to get the camera on the mount. Should have had it ready, but they opened early, so I just ran up. I actually fell at the top of the steps and then went into the room. They had like 4 Cowboys satin jackets, all at like $85. I was not paying that, so I grabbed the t-shirts, $5 on the Rangers. Forget what the other one was priced, the Nolan Ryan, and I got this Cowboys crew neck. The room at the bottom had a closet full of Cowboys sweaters, as you can see in the video, country artist music t-shirts. I was like, bro, all at $2 a piece. I was like, damn it. I got cooked at the first one, but I was glad that I got what I went there for. So we got this size. It says large. I think it's a kid's large or youth large, but we got this small on the Nutmeg Cowboys crew neck. Really nice condition. It needs to be oxy. It has a small little stain at the bottom. That's like an adult small. Got this vintage UNT, University of North Texas, mean green. On the Russell Athletics, this is a size small. This is an adult small. On the Russell Athletic, made in USA. Really nice one I picked up was the Nolan Ryan. This one's on the Nutmeg tag, size medium, but it's like a boxy medium. I feel like it could really fit like a large. But really nice Nolan Ryan t-shirt. It's got all the teams he played for: Astros, New York Mets. I'm not even sure what team that is in the middle. Obviously got the Texas Rangers. This hat is embroidered. Really nice t-shirt. You know, I don't really come across Nolan Ryan t-shirts that often, but I have had them in the past and they sell really quick. I got that one, and then this one I got for $5 on the starter tag. Size medium. This is definitely a large. It's really long. Super cool graphic with the baseball being like split. It's like flying in the air. It's a crazy t-shirt. So cameras that I grabbed this little Levi's wallet for $1. And then I got some cameras. These were, I think, $5 or $10 a pop. And then we got this one that is in the case. This is a Argus. Really nice film camera. Great condition. It's got like the lens cover on it. Got the lens. This is a really nice camera. I got this one for $20 or 25 bucks. Got that one. So hit at the first sale, got cooked, but it was all right. Went to the second sale, got a bunch of stuff. I mean, this whole pile came from the second sale. So just to go, I'm not gonna go through everything, but just a few pieces. Got the Dallas vintage Dave & Buster's on the Lee heavyweight absolute silver tee. Got 2 of those, size large on both. This really nice nature tees. I think this is on a newer Gildan. It's got the nature tee wolves with the lightning going around. Got this amazing vintage Nike Texas A&M Aggies. Just do it on the left side on that gray Nike tag. Super nice sweatshirt, crew neck to have. Got the Nike hit on the sleeve. And then the rest of this stuff is kind of just like little mids. Nice Colorado. The texture on this one's really nice.
This one is a size large. And then I got some blanks. Got fish tea. A lot of stuff I got from that sale will go on Depop. Adidas. Got this Joe's Crab Shack tee. Another Depop. Got this USA Olympics sweater. Super cool. Nice color. Some more blanks. Got some Fruit of the Loom in a jersey blank. UTA. University of Texas at Arlington. Little sweater. This is JanSport. I think that was more Y2K, early 2000s.
Nice. It's like a snowmobile t-shirt. Single stitch top and bottom on the Hanes Beefy tag. I really like the colors on this one with that heather gray. Got this Texas State Fair 1996 Pepsi tee. Single stitch top and bottom. It's Albuquerque, New Mexico Balloon Fest. Air Balloon Festival. I think they have every year in October. Nice Nike sweater. It's cut right here, but still wearable. Chaps Ralph Lauren crew neck as well. The third sale I went to wasn't bad either. I kind of decided to go buy this one last minute, but we got some NASCAR gear, which didn't have any pictures in any NASCAR stuff, but I was just stopping by because it was on the way home. Got this McDonald's snapback 94, number 94, green underbill. This one's on the Kudzu tag. I've never seen this tag before, but it is dated 1995. Really nice snapback to have. Good condition. I mean, I don't think it's ever been worn. Got this one out of the closet actually too. The Home Depot Tony Stewart racing tee. Really nice front graphic. And on the back, you've got the traveling truck. We've got the front and back on the chase tag, size medium. So that was cool. I was happy to grab that one. It didn't look like I was gonna find too much there, but when I found that, I was like, cool. I went into another room and they had like the model cars, the NASCAR model cars. I started looking around. I almost missed it, but I found this bag was like sitting on top, just like that. I'm like, oh snap! They got a dead stock T-shirt. So I open it up, check it out. Still got the little pamphlet that comes inside of it, where you would like order it from. Got that on the back. So that's pretty cool. I might end up like putting this with the tag. Opens up as well. Super cool little souvenir. But open this bad boy up and I was like, oh yeah, only a front hit on it, but it is single stitch top and bottom. Really nice graphic on this one. This is the Bill Elliott McDonald's racing t-shirt. Perfect, goes with the hat. 1995 dated. Super nice. And yeah, that was it. We got some we also got some cameras from that second sale. Finally found some film. I'm not sure exactly which cameras this will go to. It's 800 film. I'm gonna have to figure out which camera it goes to, but I got some film brand new. So I'll probably bust those down and sell them individual for the people that are buying the cameras. Another camera, I think I got this one for $10. And then I got this one. This one is $15. It comes with a little film holder right here. This is a Super Westomat. Good quality camera. It's got the little strap in the case at the bottom for 15 bucks. I wasn't gonna pass on that. It's got another case holder on the other side too. And this is a Swan case. Another camera. This one was 10 bucks. This is a Vision. Vision. Dual lens. Nice camera. Good quality. And then I got this one as well. This is probably the best one I got. I got this one for, I think, 30. Comes with this. I didn't even notice. So I did just throw it in there. Not only does it come with the strap, but we got a Minolta in really good condition. Got the long lens. This is a 52 millimeter Vivitar lens. It needs a lens cover. I might have a cover in there. It comes with the flash. I mean, the whole set itself, I should be able to at least get 60, 80 bucks, maybe even more. I gotta do a little bit of research on it, but the fact that it has the 52 millimeter lens, the flash, the strap, and the bag, it's gonna be worth a little bit more. And I got this one for 35 bucks with the case. Not bad at all. The lens is in great condition. So yeah, that was pretty much all of the finds. Yeah, great day. I probably won't have to do any sourcing Saturday morning. I have an event Saturday night and Sunday all day at the Bishop Bazaar and the 420 event Saturday night. Yeah, hopefully I have this video up before the events. Come and see me. Come shop. I do have some new items coming out, I believe within the next week or so. Finally got some things branded with my new logo. If you tune in to the very end of the video, you see my new logo, but I'm getting that branded. And then we got the Vintage Night coming up May 26th next month. So I'll be getting ready for that. Hopefully I'll still be able to get videos out for you guys. But definitely stay tuned. We got a lot of fun things coming and a lot of content to make. So I appreciate you again. Have a blessed week and see you next time.